Hi everyone, this is Max here, and in today's video we are exploring into how to create a Telegram account with your email. So first of all, you can't create a Telegram account without your phone number. But one thing you can do is go back to your home screen and open up web browser. Now tap on the search bar, search for 5-minute phone number. Now open up any website. Now copy the number. Now go back to your Telegram and paste the phone number. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome contents. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.